Good evening, students. Today, let us learn the chapter number 26, Touring India. It is in your textbook page number 44, Touring India. India is a land of diversity. We are all well known. India is a land of diversity. We can visit a jungle, mountain, sea, or any historic places depending upon what are the activities we just like to do. In this lesson, with the help of some pictures, we just write the location where that activities can take place. Let us see the first one. Snorkeling. Snorkeling means it is a practice of swimming with the help of diving mask, breathing tube. The name of the breathing tube is snorkel and swim fins. Three things are mainly required to do snorkeling: mask, snorkel and fins. It is familiar in the place Port Blair. So underline the keyword snorkeling, and it is familiar in the place Port Blair. Move on to the next one. Cruise. Cruise through a dash in a houseboat. So answer for this is Kerala. Cruise. It is a houseboat. It can be used to spend time during vacation. Most of the foreigners used this place to spend the time. It is familiar in Kerala. The next one is visit the Hawa Mahal. Visit the Hawa Mahal in Jaipur. Let us see some of the points about Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal, it is a palace. That palace is situated 3 kilometers from Delhi. It is otherwise called as Palace of Wind or Palace of Breeze. It was built by red and pink color sandstones. So it consists of nearly 953 windows. The building consists of nearly 953 windows that can be used in ancient time by means of royal ladies to watch the daily dramas. The Jaipur is otherwise called as Pink City or Red City. Why means because of the color of stones used for construction of all structures. Most of the building in Jaipur is constructed with the help of red and pink color sandstones, which indicates the color of hospitality. In order to welcome the guest, they just construct with the help of these stones. So the Hawa Mahal is situated in Jaipur. Move on to the next one. Observe the picture. What is the name of this animal? The name of that animal is rhinoceros. So rhino spotting in Das. The answer, Kaziranga National Park. The Kaziranga National Park is situated in Assam. It is situated in Assam near the river Brahmaputra. That Kaziranga National Park is situated. The familiar animals here: tiger, elephant and largest population of one-horned rhinoceros or Vostriker. The best time to watch this one-horned rhinoceros is during the period of November to April. Kaziranga National Park is familiar for one-horned rhinoceros. Move on to the next one. The next one is skiing. Skiing in Das. It is familiar in the portion Gulmarg. Gulmarg is a place that is a hill station of Jammu and Kashmir. Skiing is a game that is a winter sport that can be practiced in a place called Gulmarg. Gulmarg is a hill station of Jammu and Kashmir. The best month for practicing this is Jan and February. Between the month of January and February, the skiing is practiced here. What do you mean by the term skiing? Skiing means it is a means of transport using skis using skis. They have to travel or glide over the snow. Ski. What do you mean by ski? Means it is a narrow strip of semi-rigid material that can be used to glide over snow. So, the familiar winter sport skiing is practiced in the place called Gulmarg, that is situated in the station of Jammu and Kashmir. Move on to the next one. Bird watching. Bird watching at the DAS. Bird watching at the Kalidio National Park. The Kalidio National Park is situated in Rajasthan. Where it is situated? It is situated in Rajasthan. So the name clearly indicates. What do you mean with the term bird watching? Watching the bird. Observe the daily activities of bird with the help of naked eye or telescope or kaleidoscope. You have to do this. So, on to the next one. Number 7. Visit the Rani Ki Vav. Rani Ki Vav. It is situated in Patan. Patan is a place that is present in Gujarat. So, what do you mean with the Rani Ki Vav? Rani Ki Vav is a queen strip well. It is a queen strip well. It can be placed 27 meter beneath the earth. Beneath the earth, 27 meter that can be placed. In olden days, it is the best example for water storage reservoir. Water storage reservoir. Move on to the next one. Paragliding in DAS. Paragliding. Paragliding means it resembles a parachute that can be attached to the person's body to glide them through the air. To glide with the help of parachute, they just glide through the air. It resembles a parachute that can be attached to the person's body. But it is a dangerous game. The result of this game mostly results in fractures. So, a dangerous adventure game. It is a dangerous adventure game. They have to offer rupees 80,000 to 1,20,000 for doing this paragliding. It is familiar in the place Baliman Dara. It is familiar in Baliman Dara, where it is situated in the state Sikkim. Okay. Gangtok. Baliman Dara is a place in Gangtok. That Gangtok belongs to the state Sikkim. Next one. Relaxing on a beach. Relaxing on a beach in. I think all are well known about the answer of this question. Number 9. Beach familiar for the state Goa. So, how many beaches are present in Tamil Nadu? Nearly 27 beaches are present in Tamil Nadu. But in Goa, nearly 35 beaches are present. Among this, Blue Water White Sand beach is a familiar one. Blue Water White Sand beach is a familiar one. The name of this beach is Palom Beach. Palom Beach. The next one is tiger spotting. Tiger spotting in DAS. Badanba National Park. Tiger spotting. There are 5 important places that is familiar for tiger spotting. The first one is Badanga. The second one is Radhampur, Kanka National Park, Jim Carpet and Satpura National Park. Among this, the most familiar place for tiger spotting is Badanga National Park. It is situated in Madhya Pradesh. In which state it belongs to? It belongs to Madhya Pradesh. It is a land of white tiger. It is a land of white tiger. It is situated near the Vindhyan mountains. And the best season for visiting the tigers are during the period October to June. October to June. Then the next one is visit the Gol Gumbak. Gol Gumbak. Gol Gumbak in Bijapur. It is in Bijapur. That is a place that is situated in the state Karnataka. So, what do you mean with the term Gol Gumbak means? It is a tomb. It is a tomb. Tomb means it is a coloring. Coloring சொல்லுவாங்க. It is a tomb. This is the tomb of Muhammad. This can be constructed between the year 1626 to 1656. It starts at 16. The construction work starts at 1626 and ends at 1656. The Bijapur is situated in Karnataka. The Gol Gumbak, it refers to the word tomb. It is a tomb of T-O-M-B, tomb. It is a tomb of Muhammad Adil Shah. This is an example of Indo-Islamic architecture. It is considered as the second largest tomb around the world. The first one is St. Peter's Basilica, that is situated in Rome. That one belongs to the first one. The second largest tomb is situated in our country. The name is Gol Gumbak, that is in Bijapur, belongs to the state Karnataka. So what is the famous thing about this tomb is every sound is echoed 7 times. Inside the tomb, every sound is echoed 7 times. Move to the next one. River rafting. River rafting is familiar in Rishikesh. It is familiar in Rishikesh. It is a recreational outdoor game activity that can be done with inflatable raft. It can be done with inflatable raft. Okay. So a team of workers needed to achieve this game. The name of this game is river rafting, that is familiar in Rishikesh. It is familiar in Rishikesh. Thus the end of this lesson. Move on to the next lesson. Institutions of higher learning. Chapter number 27. Institutions of higher learning. It is in your textbook page number 46. Students long for the time they can go to the university and study the subjects of their choice and trying to specialize in the field that interests them. So in this lesson, what you have to do, with the help of clues and help box, to correctly identify the name of the various universities that are present in India as well as the abroad. They just give some of the clues. With the help of clues, you have to identify the name of the university. That university may be present either in India or otherwise it is also present in abroad. Let us see the first one. Filmmaker Satyajit Ray. Filmmaker Satyajit Ray and economist Amartya Sen studied in this university. That university is situated in West Bengal. This university is situated in West Bengal. The familiar person Satyajit Ray and Amartya Sen studied in this university. This university is situated in West Bengal. So Shanti Niketan, West Bengal. In West Bengal, where it is situated means Shanti Niketan. What's the answer of this one is? They just give the clue. First, I just underline the important keyword. Filmmaker Satyajit Ray and economist Amartya Sen studied in this university. This university is situated in West Bengal. They just give the clue to identify the answer. It has a Hindi word for world. The Hindi word world, which gives the meaning for the word world, that can be included in the name of the university. Was the answer is Vishwa Bharati University. Vishwa Bharati University. The word Vishwa, which means communication of world with India. It refers to the word communication. The word Vishwa means communication of India with the world. Okay, Bharat, it refers to India. So Vishwa means world. So this is a Hindi word which refers the meaning world, that can be included in the name of the university, Vishwa Bharati University. This university was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. The familiar person Rabindranath Tagore founded this university and it is situated in Shanti Niketan, West Bengal. So let us see the first point about this. Filmmaker Satyajit Ray and economist Amartya Sen studied in this university. It is situated in Shanti Niketan, West Bengal. It was founded by Rabindranath Tagore and it has a Hindi word which gives a meaning of world in it. What is meant by Vishwa Bharati University? The word Vishwa, which refers to communication of world with India. Until independence, it acts as a college, and after independence, it was recognized as a university. Move on to the next one. The alumni of this university in California. So where it is situated? It is situated in California. What are the familiar person? Who are the familiar persons that can be studied in this university? Is founders of Google. Who is the founder of Google? Larry Page. Founder of Google, Yahoo, Hewlett Packard and Nike belong to this university. So they just to give the clue, it has a brand name of car in its name. So the clue, with the help of the clue, it consists of a brand name of a car. Let us see the, underline the keywords. Alumni, it is situated in California. Founders of Google, Yahoo, Hewlett Packard and Nike University, Nike. That can be, that persons are studied in this university. And the keyword is brand name of car. What's the answer is Stanford University. So what is the word present in this? Ford. Ford is the brand name of the car that can be present in this name of the university, Stanford. Let us see the next one. Dating back to 1096. It is the oldest university. It is the oldest university in English speaking world. It is a keyword which refers to the country. English speaking word means England. It refers to England. They give the clue. It has an animal in it. So what's the answer? Oxford University. So the animal name ox is present in the name of this university, Oxford. Let us see the important keywords. It is the oldest university that belongs to England. It has the name of animal in it. The next one. It is otherwise called as King's College. What's the name of this university? Let us find the name of this university. It is called as King's University. This university is situated in New York. It is situated in New York. They just give the clue. Its name sounds similar to the name of the country. So a name of the country is present. Underline the important keywords. It is called as King's College, situated in New York City. And name of a country is present. Columbia University. So Columbia is a country name that can be present in it. Next one. Founded in 1701, this US university is named after a governor of East India Company. English, East India Company. That person's name can be used to give the name for this university. So what's the clue they just give me? The name rhymes with pay. So governor of East India Company and rhymes with pay. The answer is Yale University. The fifth one was the answer, Yale University. This is the third oldest institution. It is a third oldest institution in US. Let us consider. It is founded in 1701 after the name of a governor of East India Company. The university is named Yale University. They just give the clue. The name rhymes with pale. Okay. So pale, Yale. So rhyming word. It is a third oldest institution in US. Let us see the next one. Number 6. This university was founded by Ezra and Andrew. The name of the person founder this university is Ezra Cornell and Andrew in 1865. Where it is situated? Ithaca. It is a, they just give the clue. It has the name of a food in its name. It has a name of a food. Ithaca is a place that is situated in New York. Where the place the Ithaca is situated? It is in New York. So let us underline important keyword. The founders Ezra and Andrew, and the name of the food is present, situated in Ithaca. Cornell University. Name of the food item that can be present in the name of this university. The oldest university in USA. Its motto is Veritas or Truth. So its motto is Veritas or Truth. It includes a word that denotes laughter. So laughter, it indicates the meaning of the word laughter. So the important keyword, oldest university in USA, and this motto is Veritas or Truth, and it denotes the word laughter. Let us see the answer. Harvard University. Harvard University. It is the most prestigious university in the world. It is considered as a most prestigious university around the world. Next, number 8. The leading university in Nepal. It is a leading university in Nepal, where it is situated Kritipur. Kritipur, Kathmandu Valley. Nepal, Kritipur, Kathmandu Valley. This city, this university is situated. The name is given after a king of Nepal. King of Nepal. Its name includes a synonym for the word tree. Synonym means, I think you well known about the meaning for the word synonym and antonym. Antonym means opposite and synonym means meaning. So the name includes a synonym for the word tree. So underline the important keyword. It is in Nepal, after a king of Nepal that university has named. It includes a synonym for the word tree. Was the answer is Tribhuvan University. Tree, T-R-I, tree, it refers to the number 3. So Tribhuvan University. It is considered as the 12th largest university in the world. This is considered as the 12th largest university in the world. Next one, named after an Asian university. I think all are well known about our Asian university, Nalanda University. Asian University, Nalanda, it belongs to our country. Nalanda University, that was reconstructed. Okay, it was started in 2014 with Amartya Sen as a chancellor. Amartya Sen means that person received Bharat Ratna Award in 1999 and Nobel Prize in 1998. That person was considered as his chancellor, and it was reconstructed after the name of the ancient university Nalanda. This university has constructed. Its name has a common joining word in it. They just give the clue. The name of this university has a common joining word in it. Let us see the answer for this. First, underline the important keywords. Asian University. And then 2004. In the year 2004, Amartya Sen as a chancellor. Then common joining word in it. Let us see the answer. Nalanda University. A-N-D. And. That is a joining word that is presented in this name of the university, Nalanda. So, where it is situated? It is situated in Rajgir, Bihar. That Nalanda University is situated in Rajgir. That Rajgir, it is a place that is situated in Bihar. Oldest that ancient university, Nalanda University, that was founded by King Kumaragupta. The King Kumaragupta. I just display the two pictures. The oldest university, Nalanda, as well as the new modern Nalanda University. Move on to the next one. Started in 2009, it is the second oldest university. So I already told you the third oldest institution is Yale University, and the second one is this one. What's the first oldest university? Means University of Bologna. Okay, so it is started in 1209. It is the second oldest university in England and counts Isaac Newton is one of its alumni. The person Isaac Newton studied in this university. Its name includes the name of the structure that is used to cross the river. Let us just to give the clue. With the help of this structure, you have to cross a river. Let us see the answer. First, underline the important keyword. Second oldest university that is situated in England. Isaac Newton is one of its alumni. And name of the structure used to cross the river was the answer, Cambridge University. So bridge is a structure that is used to cross the river. So the answer for the 10th one is Cambridge University. That's the end of the session. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.